Hi there, students. Chuckle. To chuckle as a verb. A chuckle as a noun, a countable noun as well. Okay, a chuckle is a quiet laugh, to laugh quietly. So the kids chuckled when I tripped over. Okay, so to chuckle, to laugh. Let's see. To chuckle, to snigger. A snigger. A snigger's a little bit nasty. Yeah, is another quiet laugh. Or to giggle. Is a more high pitched. But a chuckle is a quiet laugh. He was chuckling to himself. So you could chuckle mentally without saying anything or making any sound. I chuckled at what he was saying because he was being so pretentious with the vocabulary he was using, and he didn't know what half of the words meant. Okay, so to chuckle, to laugh quietly or inwardly. Yeah, I chuckled at the astonished look on his face. Yeah, notice to give a chuckle. He gave a chuckle of surprise, a quiet, suppressed laugh. Okay, to laugh quietly. Yeah, it's a gentle, suppressed laugh. Okay, and this is the idea of to chuckle. We've got lots of different words talking about laughing. Let's see, I think giggle has the idea of silly, high pitch, quiet as well, but to repress it. To chuckle, you laugh. You do this without any question. To snigger at somebody, to laugh at them, but in a rather unkind or a disrespectful way. Yeah, the kids were sniggering behind his back. Yeah, or the locals were sniggering at the tourists overpaying for their things. I think when you chuckle, it's something that you do find funny, but you don't laugh very loudly. Yeah, it might not be very, very funny, but a little chuckle. Yeah, he couldn't avoid a little chuckle. Okay, and I think that's the idea of to chuckle. Okay, so lots of different types of laugh. You can also have the word a chucklehead, which I think the Americans use to mean somebody who's not very bright, who's a bit stupid. Yeah, or this is quite chucklesome. That's an informal way of saying it's funny. Chuckle Brothers. Yeah, I think there are some a pair of comedians. Okay, so to chuckle, it's a laugh. Yeah, I couldn't help but chuckle when he said something stupid. Yeah, I didn't like to laugh publicly or to snigger behind his back or to giggle in a high-pitched, immature way. Yeah, so to chuckle or to chortle. Let's see, to chuckle, formality. I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use chuckle just about anywhere. Yeah, he chuckled at my jokes. It wasn't a great big belly laugh. It was just a little chuckle. So chuckle has the idea of being fairly quiet or even just inwardly. Yeah, I chuckled at what he was saying. It's something I thought, that's very funny, but I didn't actually make any sound. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from, I think, Chuck, yeah, which has, I think, which is like a clucking sound. Yeah, the clucking sound of chickens. Yeah, and I think that it's probably onomatopoeia linked to the clucking sound. Yeah, I think you can actually use the word chuckle to talk about the sound made by a chicken, but to cluck. But I think that's a bit archaic. It's a bit old-fashioned. So enough to chuckle. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Chuckle.